Alright, so we're prepping green beans. I actually picked these beans a few days ago. And so what's happening is, when you look at the beans, right, you see these little, give me one here, if I can find one. Let me get that one. Yeah, okay. See that? That's a little, if I can zoom in. That's part of a little branch that's left behind on the green bean. Put it here so y'all see it better. There we go. Right here, just cutting that part out, but off because that's not edible. All right, so I guess you probably noticed already that, see, that's pallet beans right there. I left them in the garden too long, so they got kind of big and white, and some of them kind of turn a brownish. These are the fresher looking ones here, so they're going to be nice and tender. Anyway, so we got Madam and Kalia. They're prepping away, preparing to have green beans today. Anyway, look at that, all around, right? Prepping away green beans today. Anyway, that's it. As I always say, stay away from GMOs. Take care of yourself. And I'll catch you on the next episode.